Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I got some happy mail here and I thought that I would open it with you guys so that you guys could see. I'm excited because it looks like it's handmade, which is really cool. Oh my goodness, look at this. It says, warm winter wishes. Oh my gosh, look at how cool. Oh my gosh. It says, Tammy, you are such an inspiration. It takes so much courage to share your weight loss journey. I love your videos. I have been watching you for a while. You are the reason I tried my hand at mini album creating. I so love all things crafty. I look forward to watching many more reviews or many more videos. Sending you lots of blessings. XOXO, Liz, the crafty mom. Oh my goodness, look at how sweet. I mean, this card is just so cool. She made a little pocket here to hold the things, and then this card is just beautiful. Looks like she took different like scraps of paper and made a cute little sunburst. And look at how cute this is. The little rhinestones on it. It is adorable. Thank you so much. And look at this beautiful cross. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. I love the colors. And my gosh, the stitching is just unbelievably good. This is so cute. And it says, crocheted cross bookmark handmade by Liz, especially for Tammy. Aww, how sweet is that? I love it, Liz. And then here's another little tag. There's a chill in the air and a snowman that's super cute with little snowman or snow ribbon. And then a cute little just like journaling card. Awfully cute. This is so sweet of you, Liz. Oh my goodness, I love this. You did such a great job. I'm assuming you made this too. I'm sure that you did. This is just beautiful. Now, I do not know how to crochet, but I am going to learn. And it's so cool how you do this. It's a beautiful stitch. Gosh, I can't tell you thank you enough. That is super kind of you. I absolutely appreciate it. And my goodness, I think I'm going to put this on both channels as long as you're okay with it. I'll check with you first before I do, but this is just gorgeous and I absolutely appreciate it. And I appreciate you, all of your support, and thank you very, very much. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.